Photoetch detail sets are a brilliant way to upgrade your stock plastic models. Produced by a wide variety of manufacturers, they allow you to transport your kits to the next level of detail. However, handling and bending these often fragile components into shape is never easy. A dedicated Photoetch bending tool really helps you to control your work. American company The Small Shop makes a range of specialist bending tools or workstations, which come in 5 sizes. They are sold as part of the Hold and Fold range. Today we're using 2, reference SMS002, their small and compact Bug Hold and Fold tool, and reference SMS004, their mid-sized 5.5-inch item, which comes with a 5-inch folding blade. All the hold and folds are covered by a lifetime guarantee. There's also other sizes available, and you can get them all from Historex agents. The tools come well packaged in a stout box. The mid-size tool's bending blade is quite sharp, so it's packaged in a plastic tube for safety. The top clamping part is constructed of high-grade CNC milled aluminium, whilst the lower part is black, so you can clearly see the components you're working with. There's 2 plastic knurled dials to tighten or loosen the tool. On the underside are rubber feet to stop it moving about. Both pack a lot of features into quite a small area. The Bug has long fine teeth as well as flat edges, making it ideal for smaller items. The larger Hold and Fold has even more combinations, with flat edges as well as shallow and deep bending teeth. So how do you use the clamps? Firstly, you detach the Photoetch items from their fret. Here we're using the very handy accessory reference SMS015. This is the Small Shop's standard so-called cut-off set. It comes with 3 ultra-hard cutting plates made of strong black plastic, as well as a clear acrylic press. Just rock a sharp rounded blade over the stubs until the part is cut free. Next, file down any stubs with a sanding stick or a needle file. You're now ready to bend your item into shape. Here we're using some T34 fenders. Take the part from the cut-off plate and carefully place the item on the hold and fold. Make sure the part is correctly aligned and the right way up. Any bending channels should be on the inside of the part. Once happy, clamp the part by locking down the plastic dials. Using the special blade supplied, gently bend the part upwards along the clamped edge. Thanks to the clamp you get a smart and straight edge. You can then continue to work on the part, repeating the process until you get the finished shape. If it's small, use the Bug. Use the mid-size Hold and Fold for larger items. Thanks to the engineering of the tools, the pieces begin to take shape in a precise and neat manner. Both tools make working with tiny parts easy, thanks to their smaller teeth. You can use these different teeth as an aid to bending fragile items. Simply clamp them in the same way, only this time use tweezers or smaller blades to gently bend them into shape. And it's worth knowing you can use the bending tool to bend your own aluminium foil parts into any desired shape for scratch building. If you're going to do any kind of photo etch, make sure you get one of these handy tools. They'll quickly become indispensable. Bending parts with your hands or just using pliers or tweezers will never get the same results. So if you want to get properly equipped, ready for working with photo etch, check out the Small Shop's range of hold and fold tools.